Hi, and welcome to the future of learning. Before I get to that, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm Akshay Munjal, a third generation entrepreneur, and very fortunate to have the privilege to carry Hero Group's legacy. Let me tell you a little bit about the group. As you may be aware, Hero Group started in 1956 by manufacturing cycles, and from manufacturing cycles, it progressed to manufacturing motorcycles, and today is a large diversified group. Business interests ranging from energy to electronics, financial services, whatnot. Whatever the group did, it was for the benefit of India. That is something which has been very strongly ingrained. Any business or any venture we do, we always ask ourselves, how will this benefit our beautiful nation? As Hero Group, we strongly believe that we have to build the country together, be it through our industrial ventures or be it through our education initiatives. That is the philosophy we've always carried. Now, today what I want to share with you is something which we feel is revolutionary. We have reimagined the way we learn, and we are the future of education. Today, I'm very excited to launch Hero Wired. Wired is a combination of two words, virtual and education. We believe Hero Wired will be the future of learning. Hero Wired will change the way we learn and help address some of the big skill challenges the country faces. As you know, on one hand, we have a very large population going through higher education are unemployable. At the same time, we have industry which is starved for talent. And thirdly, the government wants to increase our gross enrollment ratio, take it from 26% to 50%. If we continue doing what we are doing, we are not solving the problem. We will end up producing more graduates who are also unemployable. That is the problem we want to solve. We want to break this vicious cycle. We are going to do this by partnering with some of the best global education institutions and universities, bringing in experienced faculty and industry practitioners, and combining that with the best-in-class technology system. A combination of these three will give our learners an opportunity to learn from the best, with the best content, and using the best technology available. This is how we are going to reimagine education. At Hero Wired, we believe you are made for big things. Our expertise, our experience, our industry relevance, and the global partnerships bring together everything you need to reach for the stars. Welcome to Hero Wired. Get ready to get wired.